Hello? Then I'm back again in the garage where the Kia is standing. I've been doing the lights, LED lights, and a lot of things. I have to fix this part that I made myself more problems. I put the front together again, and I have to check under the car for if it's some rust or if I have to protect it more under before I drive it to control. System was it's making a I don't think I have to explain it much more because the noise was telling the story. Because you see the whole this system just hanging around. Last time I was checking, I think it was some small screws here that maybe is holding a lot of it. Then it should be something up there. But the whole of this back plate here is just plastic. So I need to be able to get it out. I think I have to find the one there first and start digging. You see here? Up in this screw is 8 millimeters. Let's see. Take out this. Here the plastic was not. Oh, sorry, also on the other end, of course. Here it was. Easier just to screw it like this. But so much more work looking for the screws. The whole inner plate here have been taken out. It's lying inside the car because I was starting earlier to look at it. I didn't have. No, those screws are out. So I just have to go on. Screw out that. I think it's those 4, maybe. Now I put in the other light. Then I see at least up here it's a screw. There's one more on the other side. Some more here. And up here is now. For a moment I can't see any more screws. It's hanging in something more. I have to take off the number plate holder just to see. Then I've taken off the holder for number plate. I was hoping that that was going to show me something else, but it don't look like that. The whole of this system is just Have to be a clips or something. Is it more or less just paint? Problem with this now? It's a lot of garbage. This is electric. The problem is this movement of the whole system. One thing I have to remember now when I'm here anyway, I need to put on the number plate lights. Okay. Because now I should have number plate lights. And one is just a little, it's not. This is so dirty. I have to clean it out. Yeah, then we have the answer. If you don't succeed without a screwdriver, then it's just go pick up the screwdriver, then you succeed without it. That's normal. Especially if you have to go a long distance to get it, then it's no problem after, you don't need it. Take it in and clean it and say that's enough for today. Because there's not much more I can do here just in a moment. Then I have to fix the lights and fix this one to sit on properly later after I clean it. Okay. Yeah, just a little update. I take the system in, wash it some to get off the worst shit, to be able to see things. Also take off the light for the back. For the number plate lights, this is just very dirty. I hope you learned something. I learned something. Now we'll see how it's inside the back gate in the Kia Ceed. This electric control, the opening, the lights and everything. Yeah, I hope someone is getting some good information from this video. I'm trying to cut it a little shorter than the other one. So, if you like it, please put a like and please ask or give me advice what to do. Because here maybe I can do it differently. And I hope you can subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to make 1 or 2 videos every weekend, especially, or every week, especially now in the summer. When it starts to come to summer, now it's winter here. But when it starts to come to summer, I'm going to go more car shows again, but I have a lot of cars that I have to fix up. So this one is one of them. So this one I was hoping to fix soon, so I can sell it. Because